You pay off the minimum payments on all of your debts, but you have some extra money left over at the end of the month. Should you be throwing that extra money towards your debts to get out of debt faster, or should you be investing that money? It sounds like such a simple question, but it's actually not as easy to answer. There are many different factors that need to be considered before you make your decision. And in this video, I will cover the pros and cons of each option so that you can make the best decision for your personal life. Let's go. Hey, this is Carlos with Influential Finance, and on this channel, I make weekly videos to help you improve your personal finances. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So, should you pay off debt first or invest? Let's first talk about some of the benefits of paying off your debts first and some of the things that you should consider. Debts such as credit cards and student loans can be a huge burden on your life. They are one of the main reasons that people don't save money for retirement or other important things that they might need, simply because they have to make all of these payments every month. So it's understandable how paying off debt would seem like the best option. One of the main benefits of choosing to pay off your debt first is that if you do pay off your debt, you won't have to make any monthly payments anymore, which will free up a lot of your money for other things. You'll be able to save more, invest more, or just live your life without having to make payments. Basically, you'll be able to keep a lot more of your money instead of watching it disappear every single month. Another important benefit of paying off your debts first is that it gets rid of that feeling of pressure that you get from being deep in debt. I've been in debt in the past, and I know very well that feeling that you get when you make payment after payment and you feel like you're getting nowhere. So for me, having that mental freedom of being debt-free was a huge incentive to pause my investing for a few months while I took care of some debts. One last benefit of paying off debts first is that it'll reduce the interest that you pay over the life of the debt, which will save you money in the long run. The more you pay off now, the less interest you will have to pay later. So, who should pay off debt first? Firstly, if your debt is high interest debt such as credit cards and personal loans, just get it out of your life ASAP. Banks make way too much money from people like you carrying credit card debt. Secondly, if you're currently living paycheck to paycheck and you are deep in debt, you have no business investing your money. Focus on paying your high interest debts so that you can free up your money to invest for the future. And lastly, if your debt is causing you a lot of mental stress, it would be wise to pause your investments temporarily to pay off your debts. Although investing is extremely important, nothing should come before your mental health and your health overall. Now that we've gone over what you may want to pay off debt first, let's go over what you may want to invest your extra money before paying off your debts. There is basically one main benefit of choosing to invest over paying off debt. The main benefit is that you will take advantage of the stock market returns. When investing in the stock market, time is of the essence. The earlier you are able to start investing, the more your money will grow. To give you an example of this, check out this investment calculator. If you were to invest $100 per month for 20 years into an index fund that follows the S&P 500, you would have invested $24,000 over that 20-year period. $100 per month for 12 months per year for 20 years will give you $24,000. However, you will end up with over $60,000 from all of the growth. That's almost triple your money with just $100 per month. So as you can see, your money can grow exponentially when you invest it over a long period of time. So who should invest first? First, if you have no high interest debt, such as credit cards or personal loans, you should definitely be investing. And lastly, if keeping your low interest debt around doesn't add any mental stress, then you may consider investing your extra money before you get rid of any debts. In the end, whether you choose to invest your money or pay off debt, you are making a decision based off of your personal finances and your financial goals. So nobody can tell you that you made the wrong decision. Why? Because as I've said before, personal finance is personal. With that being said, if you've chosen to pay off debt first, check out this video to help you get rid of your debt once and for all. That's been it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.